Welcome to 181 Rose Crown Circle in the Reserve of Frisco. This home was custom built for the owners that currently live here, and it was built for how you want to live and situated on the lot to take complete advantage of the natural light and privacy. The bamboo floors that are on the main level and on the stairwell have recently been refurbished, and the vaulted ceilings are clad with aspen. The living room, kitchen, and loft are all wired for sound with independent volume controls. This kitchen was designed by professional chefs for chefs for lots of cooking and entertaining and catering, including Wolf dual fuel range, 6-burner installed in 2020, the large center island perfect for pastry making, and the bay window would grow herbs in the summer and is a perfect place with a drain specifically designed for plants. The seller told me that she wanted to tell you that one of her favorite things is being able to look out at the designated green space behind their home. And they have a resident squirrel and frequented by foxes, moose, and even bear. I probably shouldn't have told you about the bear. Welcome to the main floor master suite, which isn't just a main floor master. It has a walkout deck that you can go to the open space directly from. It has a remote-controlled gas fireplace with new stacked stone, a 5-piece master suite with an enormous walk-in closet, and it's right off the main floor laundry, which has a laundry chute for convenience. This is my favorite part, the radial-shaped balcony-style loft, where you can put any of your toys and you can see the Buffalo Mountain from every single angle.